This is Raju Suthar, Assistant Professor of Sri Swaminarayan Institute of Technology, Bharat Gandhinagar. Advanced Java Programming in Unit 2, JDBC Programming. We already discussed the JDBC process, JDBC program, types of statements, result set interface, result set metadata interface, and executing the SQL updates. In this session, we will discuss transaction management. So, what do you mean by transaction? We all familiar with the transaction, like we are receiving the amount or debit the amount from our account by using the ATM machine. So that is one type of a transaction. In DBMS we already discussed the point like ACID property. So transaction management is used to provide data integrity, correction, application semantic and consistent view of data during concurrent access. Means the transaction management is described using ACID property. A that stands for atomicity, C means consistency, I means isolation and D for durability. So what do you mean by atomicity? Let me discuss the transaction management one by one. Here the figure means for transaction we are starting that called initial state and transaction will perform. So transaction if permanent or save permanently, that is called commit the transaction. So transaction success, or if any mistake in transaction, so by using rollback you can undo your operation because transaction is failed. Okay, so this is the state diagram of transaction management. In JDBC, connection interface provide method to manage the transaction. First, void set auto commit, that is a boolean status. It is true by default, means each transaction is committed by default. Why we require the commit in database DBMS? We all familiar. Commit is to save the transaction. So commit the transaction to permanent save. Simple syntax for commit like commit and semicolon. Void rollback is nothing but the undo operation. So cancel the transaction. Here one program that use the commit. So name of the class is commit demo, public static void main string argument s. Class dot for name, here we are using the MySQL driver, so com.mysql.jdbc driver. Connection con is equal to driver manager dot get connection. JDBC MySQL localhost username and password is root. Con dot set auto commit be false. Set auto commit is false. By default it is true. Then statement is equal to con dot create a statement. Integer I is equal to statement dot execute update. Insert into table name. Table name is that value, first value, whatever you have written like enrollment number, name. So 601 DEF and CN. Then system.out.println number of rows inserted by using plus sign plus I that represent the counter and con dot commit. We required here right con dot commit method is used. So this transaction is commit successfully. Will display the commit successfully. Before writing here con dot commit, please check connection dot set auto commit it false because this is by default it is a true and we must require to create the one connections. Con dot close connection and exception E. Here system.out.println that represent the number of row inserted is equal to 1. We are because we are affect integer I statement dot execute update. We are insert one record. So DML data manipulation language that insert, update and delete will perform, and build successfully means commit successfully. This is our table contain the information. This is the index, enrollment number. Here 605 enrollment number is used. DEF, we are modified the enrollment number DEF. Already DEF is mentioned here. DEF and CI. We can change here name because name may be repeated, but enrollment number is primary key, so we cannot repeat 604. Okay. Transaction management, second point is rollback. So same thing that perform while we are inserting the record integer I is equal to statement dot execute update. Here execute update is used to insert the data, insert the value into database. So insert into that value 606. Okay, G and double E commit transaction successfully. One, if the transaction commits successfully, then we cannot roll back the transaction. And again we write one more transaction like I plus is equal to statement dot execute update insert into that value 607 MNO and CH. System.out.println number of row inserted. Here count.rollback. While we are performing this rollback here, so only one transaction will be rollback. This transaction cannot be rollback because after this transaction we have written count.commit statement. So commit make the transaction successful save. Okay. Let me discuss with output. So this is the output. Number of row inserted is 2. Okay. System.out.println here written number of row inserted is equal to 2. But let me check. This is the database 601, 602, 3, 4, 5 and 6. 6 already inserted here. Okay. And this one is not inserted. Here I write I plus statement dot execute update insert into DATS 607 MNOCH. So let here check the database. 7th entry is not visible. 607 MNO is not mentioned here or not inserted here. Why? Because rollback only one entry, last one, because last one entry cannot cover the commit transaction. So rollback till the 606 entry is already committed till here. Batch processing in JDBC. What do you mean by batch processing? Instead of executing a single query, we can execute batch of query like group of query. So it make the performance faster. The java.sql.statement and java.sql.prepare statement interface that provide method for batch processing. Method of statement interface like void add batch, that is a string query. It adds the query into the batch. Execute batch, integer execute batch means it execute the batch of query. This is the example for batch processing. First one, class name. Class.forName is required to load the driver. Connection con is equal to driver manager.get connection. Then con.set auto commit is false. By default it will be true. Statement HTML is equal to con.create statement string query 1, 2, 3 and 5 up to 5. Query 1 is equal to create table diet student. First enrollment number is that is an integer type and primary key. Then name that is a varchar. You can use varchar 2 also, but check equivalent of database. Like here MySQL is used, so instead of varchar 2 you can use varchar. Integer, then branch is varchar. Second query, here group of query will be performed by using batch processing. So query 1, query 2, second query is insert into diet, that is the name of the table and values. Insert record, these two are record we are inserting. Third one, we are updating the record. So by using the update query, diet set name CG where enrollment number is 6002. We are updating the record of second enrollment number. And last query, that is a delete from diet student where name is equal to Java. So delete the record. Statement add batch query 1. Each and every statement will be performed. So statement dot add batch query 2, 3 and 4 and 5. Okay. So this bulk query or group query, that is called batch processing in JDBC. Here two query that represent the 601, that is a Java. We are inserting the record. Okay. And third query, while we are performing the third query, so insert into diet values 602. We are changing, updating the database in fourth. So instead of Java or PHP, sorry, here second enrollment number is getting the PHP value name, so that will be changed like CG. And last one, delete from diet where name is equal to Java. So previously this is the output. So by performing the fifth query, delete from diet, so this one will be deleted. Transaction isolation levels that cover the JDBC isolation level present that how a database maintains its integrity against the problems such as dirty reads, non-repeatable reads, phantom reads that occur during the concurrent transaction. What is phantom read? At the time of execution of transaction, if two queries that are identical and execute and the number of rows written are different from other, that is called phantom read. If you are executing the transaction, two queries are executed identically and number of rows written are different from others, that is called phantom read. If you execute the query at a time t1 and re-execute it at time t2, additional row may have been added or deleted to or from the database, which may affect your result. It is state that phantom read occur, that is called phantom read. What do you mean by dirty read? Dirty read occur when one transaction is changing the record and the other transaction can read this record. Before the first transaction has been committed or rollback, that is called dirty read. If one person read the data or get the information from the table and at that time first transaction is read or transaction can read the record before the first transaction can commit or roll back. This is known as a dirty read scenario because there is always a possibility that first transaction may roll back the change, resulting in the second transaction having the read and invalid. We will discuss by example later on. Here simple example, consider while we are updating the employee, so transaction begin like update employee set salary is equal to 10,000 where employee ID is equal to 123, and transaction B that begins select star from employee, we are read the data from employee. Transaction B reflect the data which is updated by transaction A. Here transaction A updating the information of salary where an employee ID is 123, and second transaction that is performed by B. Transaction B reflect the data which is updated by transaction A, but those updated have not yet been committed. Here commit is not written, so no useful information will be transferred to transaction B. What is non-repeatable read? Non-repeatable reads happen when a same transaction, same query yield to different result. This occur when one transaction repeatedly retrieve the data while different transaction alter the underlying data. This causes the different or non-repeatable result to be read by the first transaction. Here transaction isolation level program is used, written public class isolation demo, name of the class, public static void main string argument as class not found exception if class is not found. Then class dot for name we require the load the driver connection con is equal to driver manager dot get connection. Connection string is we are used with the username and password. Statement st is equal to con dot create statement system dot out dot println get transaction is equal to con dot get transaction isolation, con dot set transaction isolation transaction serializable system dot out dot println new get transaction isolation plus con dot get transaction isolation. Here phantom read versus non-repeatable read. Here this one is a phantom read and this one is a non-repeatable read. While we are performing the transaction, so this is the transaction name of transaction T1, T2, T3 and T4. First transaction A and transaction B. Transaction A read n is equal to 5 and second transaction that performed by transaction B read n is equal to 5. In non-repeatable reads, transaction A that perform the read n, transaction B that perform the read n. Parallelly, we can perform non-repeatable reads. So repeat cannot perform transaction 3, update 8 and read n. We can update 8 or repeat n. N is equal to 8. So after performing this update, we receive the updated information by non-repeatable reads. In this, we are performing the delete n. Third transaction is delete n. So read n. Transaction B, transaction A while deleting the n, and transaction B will perform the read n. This green indicate the transaction performed properly. But while deleting the n, variable undefined, read n is undefined. This type of error will be displayed in phantom reads because n is deleted. So we cannot read the value. Instead of phantom read, in non-repeatable read n will be performed by using the read n is equal to n and updated 8. Here update is used, so read n will be n is equal to 8. Same query had retrieved two different values. First one is n is equal to 5 because here transaction A represents the value 5, and after updating the value n is equal to 8. So update is equal to 8, read n is equal to 8. Same type read uncommittable can use means it allow non-repeatable reads, dirty read and phantom read to occur. Read commit that used to commit it ensure only those data can be read which is committed, only committed data will be read. Transaction repeatable reads means it is closer to serializable, but phantom read are also possible. Prevent the dirty and non-repeatable read. Transaction serializable means in this level of isolation, dirty reads, non-repeatable read and phantom reads are prevent. SQL exception, this type of SQL exception used in Java like java.sql exception. It is a core JDBC exception class that provides information about database access error and other error. Most of the JDBC methods through SQL exception. Java.sql batch update execution exception. It provides the update count for all commands that were executed successfully during the batch update. SQL java.sql.data truncation that report the data truncation warning on read or throw the data transaction data truncation exception on write when the JDBC acceptedly truncate a data value. And last one is a java.sql warning. It provides the information about database access warning. Here various questions asked related to this chapter like JDBC program that cover the what is JDBC definition, list out the different types of JDBC driver, explain the role of each, write the code of snippet code, JDBC connection, thick and thick driver, explain the prepared statement, 7 marks question, give the use of statement, prepared statement and callable statement, what is the phantom read in JDBC, isolation levels, this type of question asked in summer 16. Discuss the callable statement with example, result set interface, various methods, JDBC transaction management in details, 7 marks question. Explain the use of database metadata with example, result set metadata, suitable programs, write a program code to store the image in database, or this type of a Viva question also can be possible in your external Viva exam. Thank you for attending this session. We will discuss the next unit, that is Servlet API, in next video lecture. Thank you.